Hi traders, it's Gail and it is the weekend and I'd like to do a follow-up video on the analysis that I did on December 1st on the dollar CAD. When I did this video, we had price at the bottom of this large impulsive bearish candle. I was interested in this chart for two reasons. One was that there was a predominant trend to the long as seen on the weekly and the daily. That makes it very attractive to me when I have my weekly and my daily in tandem, and on this pair I do. The other thing that made it attractive to me was that we had a cross of the Tenkan through the Kijun, giving me a strong daily time frame cross to the long, and that's a key chart for me anytime I see that. So I came into this week with several charts that I was focused on, and I love to use strong charts that show up on a weekly or a daily time frame because they're gifts that keep on giving. They're charts that typically can give me repetitive setups. I'm going to drop down to the 4-hour as I did when I did the analysis on Monday. At the time I did the analysis, price had printed a little inside candle here on the 4-hour chart. And because of the strength of the trend, I was interested in participating in any moves to the long on this chart that were qualified on smaller time frames. And at minimum, I wanted to see a break of the top of this little inside candle and then use a momentum entry to confirm. We did get a break to that 2 candles later. When I was recording this video on Monday, price was at 113.26, and we started breaking to the long, ultimately stopping at 114. It stopped at 114.24, so 98 pips later, offering nice trades to the long, and then dropping back. This was a big week of significant data releases on both the dollar and the Canadian dollar, and we had price unable to hold above the 114 and also unable to hold below the 113.50. This is a level that I was watching. When I see consolidation like this at a key level, the 113.50, that's a place I want to trade. Although I am no longer a swing trader, I rely very heavily on weekly, daily, 4-hour for charts that tell me places to trade. I'm looking into places to trade into strongly trending charts, and then I'm using momentum entries to capture the immediate momentum. That is the best way to incredible returns on your account, and it also gives you the ability to come in and find momentum most days of the week. So we had price consolidate around that 113.50, and then it broke out to the long ultimately on Friday, topping out at 114.76, offering a move from the time I did the video on Monday to its high for the week of 160 pips. It's important as a trend trader to have in your arsenal ways to select charts that are going to give you the highest probability of trend continuation, and using your weekly, your daily, and your 4-hour to identify charts that are strongly trending, and using the Kumo and the breaks of the Tenkan above the Kijun or below, depending on your trend bias, is certainly something that is a key tool in my arsenal. Wishing you all the best. I'll be trading this week, and then on the 12th I'll be shutting it down until after the holidays. Good luck with your trades this week.